Hey guys, Marcus Newby here with Newby-Vance Mobility. Today I want to show you a van we just got in a couple days ago. It's kind of a rare van, beautiful van. It's a 2023 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L with the Sport Package. Sport Package upgrades you to several things, but some of the most notables are the black grille you see there, the 20-inch rims that are black, the S badging, the sporting badging that comes on the vehicle, and I will show you that here as you open the door, and you can see the S badging on the seating with the black leather interior on the vehicle. It has memory seats, obviously power driver seat, automatic headlamps. This vehicle also has lane assist, self-parking. Very nice, very nicely equipped. Pirelli tires come on the Sport Package. So you can see it's kind of a rare van. You see a lot of Pacifica Touring L's, but not as many with the Sport Package on it. So this van was modified by BraunAbility, which we are a dealer for, and the way you operate it is with the factory remote. You double click the bottom right button and you will see the power door open. And again, this has the BraunAbility Xi Ramp, underfloor ramp. You can see the lighting there below it. The ramp comes out. As always, you want to make sure and check your measurements if you're looking for a van. They are not all the same. Ramp widths are different, door heights are different. One of the nice things about the BraunAbility Xi is it does offer the widest ramp in the industry. So that's attractive to a lot of people. If you've got a larger wheelchair, gives you a little more space. So inside here, you can see, of course, the back seat. The back seat does have a fold-down footrest to accommodate for the lowered floor. This van has rubberized flooring. And then once you get inside, you can see the features on the dash. Your touch screen there, which obviously has a backup camera. You can control your heat and air from there. Your steering wheel controls. Has adaptive cruise. So very nice van. Memory seats. Just one of many we have here at one of our two locations. I'm at the Guthrie location today, and we keep numerous vans in stock. We keep Toyotas. You can see that full-size Transit in the back, ADA compliant vans, Chevrolet Traverses, Honda Odysseys. We keep the largest on-site inventory, not only in the state of Oklahoma, but in this part of the country. This van here is at our Guthrie location, just 10 minutes north of Edmond at the John Vance Auto Group. The number here is 405-282-2113. And we have just almost as many vans at our south location at I-240 in Shields. The number there is 405-778-2013. Give us a call. We look forward to helping you with your mobility needs.